These AI bike assembly videos are going extremely viral across YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and Facebook right now. The best part is that this niche still has very little competition, making it a great opportunity to start a new channel and grow quickly. In today's video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process to create these viral AI bike assembly videos using free AI tools. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future AI tutorials. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, open ChatGPT. In the search bar, type the following prompt. Provide me with 20 luxury scooty and bike brand names along with their companies. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a list of luxury bike and scooter brands. Simply choose any brand you like from the list. Step 2. Now, go to the comments section of this video and copy the main prompt that I've provided. Step 3. Next, open your AI video generator. First, adjust the video size and any other settings according to your requirements. Then, paste the prompt you copied into the AI prompt box. After that, copy the bike brand name you selected from ChatGPT and replace the word vehicle in the prompt with your chosen bike brand name. Once everything is ready, click the send button. In just a few moments, the AI will generate an amazing bike assembly video for you, ready to upload directly to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, or Facebook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like. Also, subscribe to the channel and become part of our growing AI community. Your support motivates us to keep bringing you more valuable AI tutorials every week. Finally, let us know in the comments which AI niche you'd like us to cover next. We read every comment, and your suggestions help us create even better content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another amazing AI tutorial.